Okay? Sararj, you go to subscribe and like and see my video, okay? I don't speak another English. Very small English. I am Abasha. Abasha is not speak English. If I go to Europe or America, I speak English. I am not go to. I am still now in Ethiopia in the remote area I live. I live remote area. If I live capital city, I speak English. ትንሽ ሞክር ነበረ. So